This Select Realty property video is presented by Brittany Roberts. Super cute, well-kept home. With a bunkhouse in the back that has been rented for nightly stays. 2 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms, laundry room and carport. Huge closets. Ample storage. Screened-in porch to enjoy the beautiful backyard. New property line will be 11-8 off the north side of the house to the location of the new fence. There is a RV plug behind the bunkhouse. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Roberts at 479-394-7676.